everyone, I'm Ishita Tripathi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're coming here for the very first time, welcome aboard. And to those of you who are coming back again, thank you so much. You are watching How to Not Become an Actor, where I talk about all the mistakes that I have made in my acting career so far. Well, before we move into the episode, which is episode number 11, I want to recap a little and give my personal opinion on episode number 10. I feel that social media, it's not everything, but it is something. And I personally use it for practicing exposure therapy, and somebody who used to be hyper vigilant all the time, I think it really helped me. Putting myself out there, putting my work out there, being okay with people talking about me. Over time, it made me realize that it's actually never about those fears or all the things that we tell ourselves in our head. Even if they do happen, we got this. And we are a community of feelers and deep thinkers. And we need each other as a community to learn, to thrive, to grow. So now I try to make as much use of social media as I can, because it's like a window to a whole new world where we can build opportunities for ourselves, where we can bet on ourselves, where we can show up and be whoever is it that we want to be. We don't need permission. And take this episode as a sign that you also do not need any permission to remain who you were. If you feel like that you should change, if you feel like that you don't really feel authentic in your own body, that's your cue. I give you full permission right now to be whoever you want to be, as long as you're not harming anyone. So I just want to wrap up this personal opinion segment by sharing one really beautiful line that I watched in an interview where the guest said that actors are emotional athletes and our careers are marathons, not sprints. So it does take time, it does take effort, and it definitely takes a lot of people. Like, it takes an entire army. And of course, this particularly is not a paid review, but Nukkad Natak, 27th February. Go and watch it. Please. आपको सारी details Instagram पे मिल जाएंगी. Go to Molshri's Instagram account और तन्मय's Instagram account और नुक्कड़ नाटक पिक्चर देखो. So you will probably get कि मैं ये क्यों बोल रही हूँ, और अगर फिर भी आपको थोड़ा ऐसे confusion सा लग रहा है कि मैं फिर भी ये क्यों बोल रही हूँ, means you've probably not watched episode number 10 of the series. Go back, watch that, come here again and watch episode number 11 of How to Not Become an Actor with all of us here together. Let's go. In today's episode of How to Not Become an Actor, make technical errors all the time. For example, shoot your auditions vertically, not horizontally. Make sure that wherever you are shooting your audition, it is a very dull place, like you don't have any light on you, so that the casting people, the clients, the agency, they cannot figure out what is happening in this audition. Make it very difficult for them. And you can also do this by adding a lot of noise, distortion in the background. So make sure that these things are present in your audition. Do not follow the costume brief that was given to you. Just wear whatever this feels right today. Wear that, shoot the audition and send it across. Also, hardly follow the submission deadline. Like, wait till the last moment, and many times send your audition take after the deadline has passed. Bonus tip, while you're shooting your audition, be constantly in your head. Like, even if you know that you know the lines, you know what's happening in the scene, be so much in your head that you're not able to relax and breathe in the moment while you're shooting it all. Very importantly, make sure you cover your face with your hair. Make such bizarre hairstyles that your face is not clearly visible. Like, do anything with your hair so that your face is not visible. And if you follow these guidelines devotedly, you can ensure that you will not become an actor. So that was episode number 11 of the series. If you have any questions, comments, queries, drop them in the comments below and I will get back to them as soon as I can. And I will see you in the next one. Take care until then. And by the way, just a moment, I'm not done yet. If you are wondering कि मैंने ये क्यों लगा रखा है, मैंने इतना dark काजल क्यों लगा रखा है, I don't want to over-explain myself because मेरी मर्जी, but मैं audition कर रही थी इससे पहले. It looks nice, no? So I thought, let's do this. Let's experiment. Okay, now you can go. Bye. Okay, now finally go. Bye.